Yes, okay. Done. So next one. So can I proceed? Everything okay?
Yes.
You have the text area one. You have a button one. Okay. By the way,
Yes.
yes. Okay. So good. Okay, great. So I will proceed. So make sure the button ID is button one. Okay. You can see if you move your cursor at the button, you will see the ID, the position and the ID. Same goes to the text area. You can see the position and the ID. Yes, anyone. Oh, the position. Oh, the position is the position of your cursor, but you can see the ID. Okay. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to click duplicate. You see at the bottom. Oh, sorry. Not duplicate first. Let's press this here. Like the selection on the top right of the screen. Okay, the selection here. Select select screen one. Okay, done.
Done, teacher.
Done. Okay, everyone is make sure this is screen one. Okay, do not text area one or not button one. Okay, make sure it is here is screen one. So if here is screen one and just three blanks here, three setting, right? Actually is the setting for screen only. Okay, so if this is screen one, so if you see, then when you see the duplicate button, so click that duplicate. Okay. Oh, hmm. Just duplicate that button. Easy. Okay. So we have screen four. um okay, first I want to delete screen two. Sorry about that. Delete. Oh, how to delete? Delete. Okay, delete screen two again. Let's just use screen four for now. Okay, just change into screen two. Okay. Yes, what?
Uh, mine's, I don't get it.
You don't get what?
Sir,
Yes.
The button too.
Uh-huh.
um,
Uh-huh. Amelia?
how do we change it to screen two
Oh, okay.
again? Because you said you deleted it.
Oh, because I duplicate screen one. Okay, wait. Wait up. Okay, Dritisha, let me see your screen so I know where you are now.
I got two.
Share your screen first. Okay, click at the app model there. App model, mobile model. The selection on the mobile model. Screen one. Yes, yes. Top at the top. The label screen one. Up. Yes, that. Yeah, that one. No, screen one. The one where writing screen one. Yes, yes. Screen one. Click that. Click that. Click that. Yes, click. Click the selection. Right. What happened? Maybe click the arrow. Go to the right. No, no, not the text area. The selection. Click the selection. Do it like mine. Mine I click this and dapat je. Yes, click that. Click that. Click that again. Oh, it doesn't show to me. Alamak, macam mana eh? If you see the selection, okay, never mind. So you just have. Do you have another screen? Screen 1, screen 2, do you have another screen? Import screen, no, import. Do you have only screen 1 and screen 2? Is there any screen 4 or whatever? No?
No, teacher.
No.
I only got screen 1 and screen 2.
Okay, actually, I think because just now I told you, okay, it's not, maybe you duplicate the next button. Okay, so delete the next button. Okay, okay, delete button 2. Okay. Okay, so um, you see the top, can you see the label of button 1 at the top right of the screen? Can you see? Okay, yes. Yes, there. Just now you point there. No. Button 1. The one where writing is button 1 at the top right. Yes. Okay. Select screen 1. Okay. Okay. Press duplicate. You need to duplicate the screen, not the button. Okay. Screen 4. Never mind lah. Okay. So go to screen 2. Okay. Let's delete this. Yes. You see the delete button just now? You are pointing the delete button. Yes, delete. Okay, let's change into the of screen 4 into screen 2. Okay, done. Alright, so now I will proceed with hello. What happened?
Sir,
Yes. Hello. What's the matter?
teacher, I don't have screen 4.
Screen 4. No, you don't have screen 4 or you have screen 4? Share your screen. Share your screen.
Okay, teacher.
Ini quick, Jhanvisha, quick. We are only a few more, around 50 minutes left. Right? Okay. What's wrong now? Okay. Do you have any other screen? How many screen do you have?
Teacher, I have screen 3.
Full screen. Apa what? Your voice bounce lah. Echo. How many screen do you have? Just click on the screen. Select the screen. Uh-huh. Oh, how many is that? 6. Do you have screen 2?
No, teacher.
No. Okay, let's go to screen 1 first. Okay. Okay. Press the duplicate button. Okay. So now it's screen 7. So change the screen set. Select screen 2. Okay, can you see the label button 3 there? Yes, there. Screen 7. Okay, change into screen 2. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, So you can stop sharing now. I will share back my screen. Okay. Oh, the design part is very hard. Whoever on their mic, close. Okay. So what happened now is, okay, now we are on screen 2, right? Okay. So first, let's click this text area. So we will, okay, make sure that the ID is text area 2. Okay. This is screen 2, by the way. Okay, remember this is screen 2, not screen 1. This is screen 2, the one that we duplicate just now. Okay, so because we duplicate, we get the screen 1, but the ID is
Sir,
different. Yes,
how did you go to ID?
ID.
I never mind.
Just click on the text area. Just click that. If you click, you will show the setting. Okay, so click that. Click the screen, the one that shows screen 1 on. This is screen 2, but we duplicate, it becomes screen 1. We duplicate because we duplicate from screen 1. But it is text area 2 actually. Okay, if it's not text area 2, change it to text area 2. Remember, we are now at screen 2. Don't go to screen 1 again. Okay, remember this shows screen 2. Okay, not screen 1. Okay, so text is screen, just change it to screen 2. So here we display screen 2. Okay, rest the next one, next step about the button. Okay, our button, make sure the ID, this is screen 2. Okay, the button change into the ID. If make sure the ID of the button is button 2, and the text change it into previous. Fresh. Right.
Teacher, I only got button 4.
Uh, is it screen 2 now? Are you on screen 2?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So just change the ID of the button into button 2. If it's button 4, just change into button 2. I need you guys to follow my labeling. Okay, whatever I do, button 2 is button 2, screen 2 is screen 2, because it must be used in the coding later in a few more minutes. Okay, so change the text into previous and make sure the ID is button 2. If it's not button 2, just change that. Whatever button that you get for the ID, button 5, button 6, button 100, whatever, just change into button 2. Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone done? This one
Sure,
must,
teacher. Sure,
okay.
teacher.
Screen 2, we write as string 2, the ID is text area 2. This one is button 2, text is previous, and usually previous button, we position it here. But if you don't want to put in the middle, or maybe top, or whatever, never mind. Okay, for me, I will put it here. Okay, but make sure that the text is labeled previous. Okay, all right. So now we can do the coding. Okay, so we have screen 1, looks like this. Label screen 1, next button. Okay, we have screen 2. Okay, screen 2 is label text area screen 2 and previous button. Okay, for the screen 1, okay, make sure the ID is for the screen 1 is text area 1. For the wait, I'm displaying it. Okay, for the button next in screen 1, make sure the ID button is button 1. Okay. Okay, make sure you guys do exactly like mine so that you can follow exactly my coding. Okay, now screen 2. Okay, the label is screen 2. What is written is screen 2. The ID is text area 2. Can we have a previous button? You can put whenever, wherever, here, but the improper place is maybe here lah, I think, for mostly app. Okay, make sure that the ID is for the previous button at screen 2 is button 2. Okay, the ID is button 2. Okay, so if you are done, so I will proceed to the next step, which is coding. Okay, so now we get back to coding. Okay, so so for our coding, it's very easy. We are using block. Okay, take the on event here, the mouse up here, on event ID type callback, drag it to the code. Okay, it looks like this, like text, right? For easier for you to see, maybe I will use show block. It looks like this. If show text, it looks like text. If show blocks, it looks like blocks. Okay. Okay, so on event, first line, on event ID is changed into button 1. Okay, right, hope you can see. Yes, maybe you can see clearly actually. Okay, the ID changed into button 1. Okay, so we are doing another block. This one here, this selection of block, just scroll down until you see set screen. Set screen can. Okay, yes, set screen. Okay, this set screen, drag that one, put it at line number 2. Ayo, sorry. Put it at line number 2 here, inside this block. Okay, and change the ID into screen 1. Okay, so what happened is when I press run, okay, when I press the next button, sorry, wrong, mistake. Set screen on line number 2, change it to screen 2. Okay, so when I run, screen 2, set screen 2, line number 2, set screen 2. So when I already run, when I press the next button, it go to the next screen 2. Okay. Okay, done.
Done, teacher.
Good, great. I will just proceed. Just one more step, one more like this, right? The same thing. Duplicate that. Okay, not duplicate. Ayo. Alah. So just do the same, exactly the same on event. Put it here at line 4. But this time change the ID for line 4. Change the ID into button 2. Okay, now it's button 2 because before this is button 1, so now it's button 2. And do the same, exactly the same block. Take the set
Where?
screen. Yes.
Do you think you can slow down on the talking because I can barely catch up if you're talking a little because you're talking a little too fast.
Okay. Can you see at the screen?
What?
Can you see at the screen? My blocks on the screen.
Yeah.
Actually, we are done with the coding. It's on the sixth line. That's all. On event button 1, click function, set screen 2. Okay, next one. On event button 2, click function, set screen 1. Okay? Okay, I will give you time to catch up. Actually, we are finished already. Okay. It worked. Yes, it worked. If you run, let's say I run it. So I will press next. Okay. So we go to screen 2, previous, screen 1 again. Okay. Okay. Emilia, you done? Or what? How? Done? Okay. Is it working? Press the run button. Is it working? Is it changing screen?
Mine says warning line 1 being on event.
Okay, let me share your screen. Share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Because actually we are done. Your first step is done. But I want to add one more thing. Oh, gedebung, gedebung. Okay, what's for the warning? Screen 2, button 2. Huh? Line 1 on event in parameter refers to. Huh? Sorry, let me. Oh, I think line button 1. Is it your screen? Can you press reset? Oh, button 1 does not exist. Okay. Can you move your cursor at your button?
Where?
Okay.
Here?
There I see. Okay. Go to screen 2. Screen 1. Sorry. Go to screen 1. Oh, alamak. Padan lah.
I had a
uh,
little bit of trouble.
okay. Let's go to screen 3. That's why. Okay. Let's go to the design. Okay. Let's click on the screen. Actually, change the ID into screen 1. Eh. No, 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 no. Okay. Change this ID. Wait. Okay. Let's go to screen 2 first. Okay. How come I can see your selection? Okay, change the ID into screen 1. Okay. Let's move your cursor. Screen 1. You. Screen 2? Screen 3 again? Exactly the same. Okay, screen 3 change into screen 2. The ID. Okay, screen 2 as that's correct. Okay, let's change your screen. Can you press the screen, the text area screen 2 there?
Here?
Yes. Press. Text area 2, text. Okay, press the previous button
Where?
on the mobile phone. On the mobile model. Phone model. The button. On the phone, on the phone. The phone. Yes. The phone. Like now the button. Yeah, there. Okay, press that. Okay, so it's button 2. Okay, let's go to screen 1. Okay, okay, press the text area screen 2 there. Okay, change the text into screen 1. No, no, not the ID. Okay, screen 1. Okay, previous. The previous button on the phone, on the phone. Okay, phone model. Yes, press that. Press. Okay, change the text into next. Okay, the ID is button 1. Okay, let's go to your code. Okay, try. Let's run now. Nah, next. Press the next. The next of the phone. Press next. See? Okay, previous. Okay, so actually it's changing screen, but yeah, you can see on the text it changed 1 and 2. Okay, sorry. Actually, one more thing before we went out class. So this is depends on you if you want to do or not. I will just add one more thing. I will add a picture. So on the design toolbox, just drag the picture here. Okay, okay, image one. So I will choose the image. So let's say I upload an image when in any ever of your computer. Okay, let's see. This is my signature
So what did you click?
image. Okay. Okay, this is not. I'm just showing you. Okay. I think you don't have to
So
follow because
we
we
don't have to
are.
follow?
Yeah, you don't have to follow.
Okay.
I just want to show. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is picture. Okay.
Wait,
Okay, done. Okay,
wait,
let's see.
do I stop sharing?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so when I run, I press next. So this is another screen. Press previous. This is screen 1. So there's you can see the difference in the because there's a picture there. Screen 2 not picture. Screen 1 there's a picture. Okay, that's all. Okay, sorry for extra 2 minutes. I will stop my sharing. Whatever. Okay, so this is our last class for Java level 2. And again, I'm not sure because you are the first group that I teach Java level 2 actually. So I may not see you in Java level 3. But I only teach Java level 3 just 2 days ago for replacement. So I may not. Wow, Andre, you are presenting. You okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, good, Andre. Okay, so I'm taking picture now. If you want to open your camera or not, depends on you. Okay, so this is Java level 2, our last Java level 2 class. Okay, on count of 3, 2, 1, I will take a picture. 3, 2, 1. Okay, again. 3, 2, 0. Okay, so I'm not sure if I will teaching you Java level 3 or not because I'm the mentor. Our teacher is teaching. But likely I will lah. I don't know. Okay. So
Wait, sir.
yes.
How do we save the our code?
It's autosave.
Okay.
It's autosave, and if you continue to Java level 3, maybe you will know how to open back the one that you save. Okay. Okay, so extra 4 minutes now. Okay, so that is all. Okay, so see you or not see you later. I'm not sure. Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Yeah, sorry for anything, for any my mistake.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Oh,
teacher.
bye, Andre. Because you share a YouTube link. Okay, bye. Bye, Cinta. Bye, Dritisha. Bye. What else? How to save?